Bump set from Deloria. They go to Pascual, no go. Arroyo trying to get the first point of the set here for Zeus. Gonzaga, no go. Coronel goes to the pipe, checked, blocked by Nogales.
Perfect timing by Nogales.
The third set.
Pati sa first set.
Yes.
Oh, naunahan sila.
Talaga hindi lang sumusuko tong team na
And
to.
again, the first ball or the passing of the Galleries, medyo mabula lately.
1-2 play from Mondoñedo. Pontillas was there. Pascual breaks the defense, gets the point to go for Galleries.
One thing critical para dito sa Galleries ay hindi maiwanan. Magaling silang magka-ball. Pinakita na nila yan in sets number 2.
Let's see if they can capitalize.
Dito sila lumalamang kadalasan.
Better reception. Coronel goes to Deloria. Teaming up with Baby Love Barbon here as the two liberos. But it's been Dali's game so far. Checked at the net was Estoque. Arroyo chases. Free ball Galleries. Coronel will run this play to Pontillas. Had to adjust there. Gonzaga with the cross. Well read by Coronel. Pontillas tries again.
Wow.
Cross-court kill!
Excellent. Coming from Asis. Straight to the vet. Game on the line. Maizo against the Solar Spikers.
Will she be another magic bunot here? Just like Estoque will find out. As Chisaed goes to Estoque. Pontillas with a chase. Over reception there. Coronel sets it up to Deloria. Slow roller. Saet. Back set. Troncoso. Her first attempt is gonna be good for Zeus.
Very smart. Napakahalaga sa mga players na pag hindi pa nagagamit.
Service here from Zeus. Pontillas tries to get the side out. No go. Oh, she will get it, Coach Ronnie, eventually.
Throughout the set.
Zeus has Gagate in front. I'll keep my eye on her. They go to Estoque, who's checked by Coronel.
Block point for Coronel.
That's a big-time two-way player.
Clear sets, especially in key moments. And that adjustment, combined with composure in crunch moments, has been essential for the team. However, as
Isa, pero syempre, Coach, di papahuli. Nag-1-2 play. Isa pang veterano, Chisaet, with her first point of the match.
Veterano ba ka mo? Maghanap kayo ng mas veterano kay Chisaet. Pero para that she still can compete at this highest level.
That's right. Chisaet now goes to Gagate, gets back-to-back points.
Had 5 blocks in their first match. Again, the first ball.
There will be a check. Chisaet now heads to the service line for Zeus. Coronel goes to the middle. Asis, well read by Saet. Arroyo tries to go back-to-back. Pontillas bump set to Pascual. Checked. Ball is still alive. Asis, the setter. Pascual with a roller.
Ang galing mag-set, no?
Yeah.
Oh!
Finds a hole in the defense. Pascual and the Galleries with a 4-point lead. She serves to Zeus. Combination of the middle. Coronel with a good dig. Ball is still alive. Gonzaga, dinaan sa talino, gets that point for Zeus.
That's vintage Jovi Gonzaga.
4 players in double digits for Zeus Coffee. Arroyo will chase this
si
one.
Jenny Arroyo talaga.
Offense and defense, Coach.
Oo.
Coronel goes to Deloria. And she will be locked.
With the block.
Arroyo indirectly and directly.
Yes.
Calling for the challenge and getting that point off the block. Gonzaga, nahawa na sa hustle ng mga kakampi niya. Versosa, tumangulobnan. They go to Pascual. Blocked by Gagate.
So sets 1 and 2, antindi ng endgame ng Galleries. In the last 2 sets, Zeus also.
0-1. Galleries, 345 days since the last time they won. And Nogales, after that timeout, sends us